This is the new show called The Adventure Club of Werewolves, starring Simi
And Brianna.
and Brianna.
Woo, woo, woo.
The old man is just acting in the video.
He's just pretending.
He's trying to be our fan. And today we're chasing out of an ice cream truck.
And I have a $5 bill waiting for that stupid ice
So whenever we take off running, be sure that's for the ice cream truck.
cream.
And the
you
ice
get-
cream truck is like right there.
And it's taking forever to get here. But so sure, we need to hurry up and get ice cream.
Will that ice cream truck ever go faster like these cars?
I know. It's taking I can see it. It's over there.
And it's
Go, go, go!
Yo, we go to the park. Go.
Go, go, go!
Wait. We can walk. The ice cream truck is slow, remember?
it's coming over here.
See me zooming for it. There it is. Go. Okay, we're here. Good run. There it is, y'all.
Ice cream! Over here!
Come on, we gotta record it. See how slow it's going.
Yeah.
We can outrun a stupid ice cream truck. So that is just sad, right?
Yeah, sad.
Yeah.
What's he doing that?
You stupid. Ah! Ow. You know, I almost tripped over my leg again.